My name is Agustin Gutierrez. I'm professor and researcher at the University of Barcelona and coordinator of the SNIFFIRDRONE project. The goal of the project is to monitor pollution emitted by industrial plants, and the way we do it is by using a mobile platform, a drone that carries chemical sensors in order to do a mapping of the plant to have real-time readings of this pollution that is emitted. The partners that are involved in this project are two universities, University of Lancaster and University of Barcelona, two research institutes, IBEC and SINTEF, and two companies, GSS and DAM. So in the project we have faced several challenges, technical challenges mostly. First, in the design, fabrication and testing of the NDIR gas sensing unit that we are developing. Since the technology is the first time that has been used for these kind of sensors to have more than one gas detected, and that is not easy. And also we have faced challenges in the drone-based system that we are also developing in order to carry this sensing unit. The project main idea is to be able to monitor the emissions of wastewater treatment plant with a platform, in this case with a drone, that is able to move rapidly and give a real-time picture of the emissions of wastewater treatment plant. And this will result in the abatement of any kind of odors that this plant can produce. Episode of malodors in the neighborhood of wastewater treatment plants or industrial plants is a recurrent problem that population has to suffer. These malodors may cause nausea, they can cause long-term diseases that are very difficult to abate unless you do it from the origin. So in this project we are developing a system that will be able to detect when these malodors are produced and give a tool to the operators of the plant in order to stop or reduce these emissions. I'm a physicist and electronic engineer by training and computer science as a PhD, so I have a multidisciplinary background. And my research career has been focused on chemical sensors, in particular in the processing of chemical sensor signals in order to do applications which are very variable with these arrays of chemical sensors.